Leveraging life insurance for retirement planning, a comprehensive guide. Life insurance is often viewed as a safety net for loved ones in the event of an unexpected tragedy. However, it can also serve as a valuable tool for retirement planning, providing financial security and peace of mind during your golden years. Here's how you can effectively use life insurance to bolster your retirement savings. Starting life insurance early is pivotal for maximizing retirement benefits. Purchasing a policy while young and healthy secures lower premiums and the potential for substantial cash value growth. This early investment lays a solid foundation for financial stability in retirement. Selecting the appropriate policy type is equally critical. Permanent life insurance, with its death benefit and accumulating cash value, often suits retirement planning best, offering a reliable income stream post-retirement. Accumulating cash value within a permanent policy is another essential aspect. The tax-deferred growth of this cash value provides a tax-efficient supplement to retirement income over time. Policy loans offer flexibility by allowing access to funds without sacrificing the death benefit, and they're often tax-free, making them an attractive option for retirement expenses. Tax efficiency planning is also essential, with life insurance providing tax advantages like tax-free debt benefits and policy loans, enhancing its role in retirement strategies. Regular reviews of life insurance coverage ensure alignment with evolving retirement goals, optimizing its benefits as financial circumstances change. Periodic evaluations help adapt the policy to maximize its potential throughout one's retirement journey. In conclusion, life insurance is crucial in retirement planning, providing protection and financial flexibility. Beginning early, selecting the appropriate policy, and using its cash value wisely can bolster retirement security, ensuring peace of mind. If you enjoyed my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you.